This method I have taught you, I'm talking about today, is what has worked for me and helped me to gain over 5,000 subscribers on the Martins Home, my first channel. So I'm going to tell you the method I used to write my titles, my YouTube titles, and how well this method has helped me to gain this good subscribers, although small, but it's something to be grateful for. The first thing I want to talk about is my titles, how I write my titles. Truth be told, after modeling titles, like checking people in my niche and seeing the type of titles they use, I don't just copy their titles and post. Do you know why? YouTube is an algorithm, and being up to game with AI, artificial intelligence, is what will help you to be updated with what is happening in your niche, using the right keywords, framing the right language, using the right English. Some of us write our titles with grammatical errors, or we write it wrongly. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write your YouTube title in 1 minute without even the stress of thinking so much. Not just your title, I'll show you how to get the right hashtags, the right description, and the right title, how to opt it, how to optimize it, the right SEO for your channel. And guess how I do it? I do this easily using a common tool that we all know, AI, ChatGPT. So if you are wondering, oh, is it not ChatGPT that I already know? No, there are some good prompts that you give to this AI that it will help you to come up with the best title that you can ever do. I made a live in this very channel where I was telling us how I have used AI several times to apply for jobs. I even talked about how I have used AI to negotiate even salary. So if you have not taken your time to watch that video, why don't you take a show to check around the live? Although it's a live, but you can just mingle around. But in this channel, I will just show you the good trick that AI has been doing for me. The game changer, guys. I no longer scratch my head to come out with too many keywords. Of course, I use my head to write the title. But after doing all my research, it makes it so simple for me. So let's go right to ChatGPT right now, and I will show you how it has helped me to get the right titles. I no longer type so much, and I get good results, guys. Good results from this. Are you ready? Let's go. But before we go, have you subscribed? I'm waiting.
So first of all, we'll go to our YouTube application. Let me quickly take you through before we'll go to ChatGTP. Tap on this YouTube application and let it open. How do you know your competitors? People in your niche that are talking about what you are talking about. So let me search for fashion. For instance, I like using fashion because it's my first channel, and that is what we use to know our competitors. So checking about fashion, there are many people in this fashion niche. Okay, there are many. Or let me just use African fashion, because this is what is it. It's African fashion. So there are many people in this niche of African fashion. We will scroll down, looking for a video. Okay, fine. This is a channel. This is Trendy Styles Fashion TV. So this is a channel, and all this channel does is to showcase fashion styles. That is why it's Trendy Styles Fashion TV. So let me check their videos. I have tapped on their videos, then I'll tap on their popular. Okay, try to check their popular. Wow, so you will see that this very channel has most beautiful dress styles outfits for bridesmaids or wedding. This is one of their most popular video. 2023 latest Ankara style, stylish Nigerian Ankara styles for ladies. I'm going to screenshot this. If I want to do more detailed analysis of what this channel does, this channel posts videos. This is 1 day ago, 8 days ago, 9 days ago, 10 days ago, 2 weeks ago, and all that. So I've tried to check their consistency, how consistent they are with their channel. And yes, they are consistent. 14 hours 1 day, 14 hours ago, that's good. But that's not what brought me to this channel. What brought me was to check their titles. Now, looking at this title, it's easy for you to go and start typing. You will know that for every channel, that before you upload any video, you also need to have a video description. I've gone to their description, and this is what is all here in this description. Now, guys, tell me how long you will take to type all these plenty words you are saying here. Optimizing it with the right keywords, because keywords has a whole lot to do with what you write in your description. And that is why, because of the laziness to type, most of us don't write descriptions. You need to write them. So having gotten the titles, now we are heading to our chat GTP. Let's head over to ChatGPT and I will show you how easy it is. This is ChatGPT. I've tapped on ChatGPT. It has opened for me, and I'm going to check for the photo we just screenshot. This photo here. I'm going to know this is not what I want. I'm screenshot. So most beautiful dress styles outfit ideas for bridesmaids. Or let me use 2020 latest Ankara styles, stylish Nigerian Ankara styles for ladies. So I've already made a video about this. So I will now type here most beautiful 2023 stylish Ankara styles. Someone might be asking me, why am I not typing this in the YouTube over? Because I want mine to be well optimized and much more fresh. Yes, and I also want to get good keywords from here. I also want to get a very good video description from here, as well as good hashtags. So I don't want to go typing all that, cracking my brain, and at the end I may not come out with the best keywords that will make my videos go viral. So I will now check for 2023 latest Ankara styles, stylish Nigerian Ankara styles for women. Okay. 2023 latest Ankara styles. Okay, stylish Nigerian fashion styles for women. Okay, so this is the title. I will now ask ChatGPT. I've written the same title here. I will now ask ChatGPT to give me a viral YouTube SEO high ranked title, description, and hashtags for this. I'll also add make it catchy and trending. So I will now send all this. So this is what ChatGPT did. YouTube title high ranks. I'll just press hold, select text, and then copy all this step by step. I've copied the title. When uploading my video, I'll paste this title. When it comes to description, I'll copy this and paste the description. When it comes to trending, I will now the hashtags. If I want to remove anything I don't like from here, I'll just remove it. So this is how simple it is. How it has brought it. You see it here. Yes, it has brought out this. So just copy it out and then come back when you are uploading your video. Tap on the video, tap on your plus sign, and let's imagine we are uploading this video, and then we'll do next. So I did not edit this video, sorry, I'm just giving an example. Okay, let me look for a good video I edited. Then you go to next, and then you go to your this thumbnail, this title, this is description. So you put all this description, this and that. I have more guys to show us.